Assalamu alaikum. Good day, everyone. Thank you for allowing me to present my research at International Conference on Innovative Technology Engineering Science 2020. Today, I am presenting a framework of IoT-enabled vehicular noise intensity monitoring system for smart city. I am Mohammad Abdur Rahim. This is the outline of my presentation. Initially, I will present introduction and the necessity of research on vehicular noise monitoring system. After that, I will describe others constructively. However, in introduction, this image shows a city where a lot of smart facilities are available to make the city dwellers activity in faster, more accessible and reliable with maximum safety and security, which is called the smart city. However, day by day the density of population is rising, as well as different type of problem is rising in this area, and sound pollution is one of them, and which is really alarming issue currently, because WHO mentioned that worldwide 466 million people are affected by noise pollution, and in 2015 it would be 900 million. In this case, vehicles are mostly responsible, because researchers found that vehicles are 30% sound pollution created, and which is presented by the figure 2. On the other hand, due to sound pollution, people are facing different type of health problems, such as hearing impairment, irritation, stress, nervousness, sleep disturbance, blood pressure, which also represented by the next figure of this slide. So research on noise pollution is so much important, and for this reason we intended to do this research. However, and for this we are proposing a framework, and that is IoT-enabled noise monitoring system in smart city area using reliable, sophisticated technologies, which can monitor individual vehicle noise by itself beside the surroundings that are presented by this figure. Moreover, now I will discuss about the uniqueness of this framework, which make it more special. It is completely unique proposition than previous related research work. We propose to incorporate some advanced devices and smart technologies to collect the evidence, and also we introduced a machine learning technique to analyze and deliver data real-timely with highest accuracy. However, to do that, we also perform literature study extensively, that the example presented by this table. But due to the time constraints, I am moving to the next slide. Now I will discuss about the proposed system architecture and proposed machine learning algorithm model. Actually, we proposed for the architecture three-layer architecture, where first is sensing layer, second is gateway network, cyber security and service layer, and third is application layer, which is represented by the first figure of the slide. And however, now I will not discuss this issue. Later it will be discussed elaborately in work principle section. And now I will discuss about the machine learning algorithm of the proposed framework, where initially four stage of this machine learning algorithm usually used to handling data and defining the code, and then defining a machine learning algorithm like support vector machine decision trees, nearest neighbor algorithm, random forest classifier for outmost result. And after that the trend model is used to analyze the data based on previous data and previous direction, and then categorize the data and store and deliver to the designated stakeholder as per direction. However, now I will discuss about the working principle in this slide. Initially, for the sensing layer, which is collect data based on predefined way using sensor, 360-degree camera, 360-degree lidar. Initially based on sensor data, lidar measures the distance of object from vehicles or source of sound to ensure whether the activity of producing noise is valid or not. If not, then take a capture using a video capture and location coordinate for future jurisdiction. Then for the case of gateways, network security and service layer, mm, we used 4G LTE module to establish the communication with available network using IoT development board. Then collected data will be analyzed as per proposed algorithm, and after that deliver and store the data to the cloud storage and stakeholders respectively if there found any irregularities. For this system, we prioritize cyber security and using biometric and two-factor authentication process. However, for the case of application layer, we propose also cloud web server where the different type of users will be benefited as a stakeholder, like driver, vehicle owner, then environmentalist, and also city authority. However, for moreover, the for this we now I will conclude this presentation, but we are hoping that this system will capable to measure, analyze the noise, and deliver the required information to the stakeholder instantly with strong evidence and captured videos location coordinate. It will help to reduce noise pollution in smart city area and increase the economic growth entirely. It also help to increase the public awareness, and finally it will contribute on future research advancement to develop more advanced noise and monitoring system. Thanks to all.